Alright, this is the moment we've been building up to. Now that we have all the key components, let's assemble the entire pneumatic dispensing system step by step and see how everything comes together. We begin by connecting the quick valve connector to the 300 mm adhesive cartridge. This ensures a secure and airtight seal, optimizing the adhesive flow path and preventing leakage. Once connected, we place the cartridge inside the retainer tube, making sure it fits securely before moving to the next step. Next, we attach the dispensing valve, locking it into place to control the flow direction and precision. After that, we cover the system with the pneumatic cylinder, securing it tightly to ensure stable and consistent pressure application. This prevents vibrations and ensures that the adhesive will be dispensed smoothly and evenly when in operation. Once everything is assembled, you can see how compact, adaptable, and structurally solid this system is. The sturdy build and industrial-grade materials make it ideal for heavy-duty manufacturing applications, ensuring long-term reliability and consistent performance. This setup is designed for seamless integration into XYZ robotic dispensers and 6-axis robotic arms, delivering high-precision automated dispensing. The quick-release clamp allows for fast cartridge changes, while the pneumatic cylinder applies controlled force, ensuring a smooth and accurate dispensing process. Now that we've completed the full assembly, how does this system compare to a standard pneumatic dispenser? What are the key differences in precision, stability, and efficiency? Stay tuned.